Sing Sang Tay Tay Lei Ho. My name is Cinderella May, 38 years old, from Davao de Oro, Philippines. I am a single mother with two kids, ages 19 and 4 years old. My divisional attainment is college level nursing. Due to financial problem, I stopped, but at the end of the day, study again vocational courses like bookkeeping NC3 for 6 months, cookery for 6 months, and electronics consumer servicing for 6 months. My first ever working experience here in our place as a housemaid that was here July 20, 2015 up to July 20, 2017 with one couple. They are both working and they have 3 kids ages 2, 5, and 10 years old. I do the household chores like cleaning, washing, preparing food for the kids every day, marketing, and even sending them in the school. Secondly, I was able to giving a chance to work abroad in Dubai as a sales executive for 6 months in Dubai. That was year 2019. And then May 15, 2022 to May 15, 2024, I got a chance again to work as a nursing aide in the hospital. My duties are taking care of elderly and children who are sick, preparing food, hygiene care, housekeeping, and medical management. My hobbies are not only cooking. I do also baking, gardening, tutoring kids, and even I do dancing and singing. I do sing like the nursery rhyme. Rain, rain, go away, come again another day. Little Shiloh once again. Rain, rain, go away. I want to work in Hong Kong, ma'am, sir. Practically speaking, because of the high salary and especially of the good human rights in your place. And beside of that, I want to earn and save money for my 2 kids and have our own house in the future. To my future employer, ma'am, sir, please give me a chance to work with you because I am hardworking and patient, and I see to it that I will prioritize my work and do all and obey your house rules in your house, especially to finish my 2 or more years, 2 to more years contract. Praying for this opportunity and looking forward to work with you soon, ma'am and sir. Thank you and God bless.